How do I eat this? It's a tostada.
Nah, crispy, so it's going to fall apart.
As long as I don't get it on my dress.
Oh, yeah, be careful.
Mm.
No,
Get in, George.
the tortillas are so good. I'm coming back there.
Oh my god. Holy crap. It's so fresh and nice, isn't it?
Do you have any tips? When we finish, leave them out, leave them out.